Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve question number 3, which have taken 13B exercise, chapter number 13 and D1 mathematics. The question is in front of your screen, and the question is the figure show a parallelogram ABCD where AB is equal to 10 centimeter and the BC value of BC is 6 centimeter. If D to E, which is shows by a dotted line, is 9 centimeter, find the area and the perimeter of the parallelogram. So, and we know that how we can find out the area of the parallelogram and the perimeter. So let's start the solution. This is the formula of area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So how we can identify the base and height in this parallelogram? We will see 3 measurements: A to B 10 centimeter, B to C 6 centimeter, and one more length from D to E. Actually this side is E, this point is E, and which is equal to 9 centimeter. So now the next step is identify which one is the base and which one is the height. I have already told you in my previous video, the perpendicular distance from base to the opposite side of the base is called height, and the height, so this is height, DE is the height, because height is always make a 90-degree angle, with the base. So it make 90-degree angle with the side BC. So this is the base, because this length DE, this is the length which is 9 centimeter. The side DE make 90-degree angle with this side BC. So this is the base and this will be the height. Now without wasting any minute, we will come to the solution. The value of base is 6 and the height is 9 centimeter. After multiplication you will get 54 centimeter square. Now the next step is find the perimeter, and we know that the definition of the perimeter is sum up of all the boundary line of any closed shape figure. So we will sum up the boundary lines and you will get the perimeter. From A to B the length is 10 centimeter, from B to C the length is 6 centimeter, from C to D the length is missing. But we know the property of the parallelogram, the opposite side are equal in measurement. So what does it mean? The length of AB is equal to 10 centimeter and the opposite side is CD. So the length of CD is again 10 centimeter. And the length of BC is 6 centimeter. So the length of AD, which is opposite of BC, AD is the opposite of BC, so this is also again 6 centimeter. It is the property of the parallelogram. Now with the help of this we can easily calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter is A to D 10 centimeter plus B to C 6 centimeter plus C to D 10 centimeter, then plus again D to A 6 centimeter, and the final answer is 32 centimeter. I hope this video help you to find the solution of question number 3, which we have taken from 13B exercise. Inshallah we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.